Hello everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One thing that makes car repairs stressful? Difficulty scheduling appointments. At Arts, we know your time is valuable, and we offer flexible, easy booking to get your repair done on your terms. Let me share a story about Priya, a nurse who came to us recently. Her 2020 Nissan Murano had a damaged front fender from a minor collision. Priya's demanding hospital shifts made it hard to find a shop with convenient hours. We provided multiple booking options, including early mornings and online scheduling, and got her in right away. Our team restored her Murano to perfection, and Priya said, "Art's scheduling was a lifesaver. It fit my crazy hours perfectly." Our process is designed for convenience. Book online or by phone. Choose from a variety of time slots and get quick confirmation. From small fixes to collision repairs, our Pomona shop ensures scheduling is seamless with quality repairs to match. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we make booking as easy as our repairs are excellent. Ready for a shop that works with your schedule? Visit us or call for a free estimate today. Don't struggle to schedule repairs. Contact Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Easy scheduling, top quality.